Hello, today we will showcase a special scenario in AETL where we wish to run a SQL statements before or and after writing to a SQL. I have an employee master which I receive from the HO. This has to be updated daily into employee detail database, and we just want to truncate every single time this data comes to us without comparing anything. We also have another table where we have few employee codes and they need to be updated in these JSON format via using a function. So let me just take you to AETL. What I've done is I've created a simple reader which reads from a CSV file, writes to a SQL. Now if you will click on the writer and click on SQL editor, okay, I have a section here called SQL before. This is where I run my truncate table command, and I have a SQL after where I run the special procedure that I have. Let's just click run. If you see execution log, everything was a success. Execution of the function as well was success. Let's come back and see our table. If we come back to our employee table,